Top 3 Best Robotic Toys. Number 3. Anki Cosmo. Meet Cosmo, a gifted little guy with a mind of his own. He's a real-life robot like you've only seen in movies, with a one-of-a-kind personality that evolves the more you hang out. He'll nudge you to play and keep you constantly surprised. Cosmo's your accomplice in a crazy amount of fun. Cosmo is fun right out of the box, but that's just the beginning. His abilities and skills develop constantly with frequent app updates to provide new ways to learn and play. Pros: animated eyes and dynamic voice give this little robot a lifelike quality. Easy to set up initially, with several pre-programmed features in place. Cons: robot only works with companion app running, and isn't autonomous. Included cubes aren't rechargeable. Direct Wi-Fi connection is odd and can drop. Bottom line: passing the butter may not be its true purpose, but much more can be done with this programmable, expressive robot. Number 2. Sphero SPRK. Equipped with Bluetooth Smart and a scratch-resistant, durable shell, SPRK Plus takes hands-on learning up a notch. Programmable sensors like motor encoders, LED lights, accelerometer, and a gyroscope allow for countless experiences and coding conditions. SPRK Plus will foster a love of robotics, coding, and STEM principles, all through play. Pros: easy to control with companion phone app. Programming moves is also possible. Color changing feature is easy to program. Water resistant, can float and move in water. Cons: clear plastic can scratch easily. Works only with Sphero and Lightning Lab apps, not other apps from the manufacturer. Bottom line: fun for all ages. This robot's UI makes it easy to control, and it offers real coding capability for those wanting detailed programming features. Number 1. Wonder Workshop Dash Robot. Dash Robot is perfect for use in a classroom or at home with family and friends, letting kids work solo or come together for group coding projects. Dash is the perfect gift for today's kids. Dash is extremely entertaining and comes with hours of interactive challenges and 5 free apps for endless hours of fun. Pros: uses the Blockly drag and drop coding app to program moves and behaviors. Easy to connect to app. Responds quickly to commands. High quality, sturdy robot that holds up to frequent use. Cons: initial firmware update can be glitchy, and can only be done through a Bluetooth connection to the robot. Some device compatibility issues. Bottom line: kids 6 and up will have no problem learning how to use this responsive robot thanks to a very intuitive companion app. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.